So it feels like every single year I make one of these videos because it is so important and so crucial that whenever you actually go and purchase a brand new iPhone, that you're actually going through and kind of setting yourself up for success as soon as you purchase it. So the first couple things I'd recommend doing as soon as you buy that brand new iPhone of yours is to one, you want to go ahead and make your way over to your iPhone storage. Everything we're basically going to be hitting on today is basically going to be within your iPhone storage. So click on general, click on iPhone storage right here. And what you're going to want to do is within this panel, you're going to want to take note of a few things. One, the storage of your specific iPhone, but also the applications taking up the amount of storage. On this iPhone, you can see I have a ton of storage available. If your storage looks like mine, don't even worry about it. You don't have to do this. But if you're almost running out of storage, before you go and transfer all your data to that later iPhone, I would just recommend going through and just deleting as much stuff as you don't think you're going to be using anymore on the specific iPhone. For example, I would go through here, Collageable. I'm probably never going to use this application ever again. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Same exact thing for some other applications here too, even like iMovie if you no longer use it, or some other ones, just go through here and just delete these applications. Now you can see at the very bottom, you're seeing these two things. These are the system data, and this is just base data for the system, in general. Very annoying that we have to give up this much storage, but it is what it is. Now, at the same time, deleting this amount of storage here can actually help kind of sometimes get these numbers to go down a little bit. So just go ahead and delete as much stuff as you can here that you're no longer using. And the next thing I'd recommend doing after this is making your way back into this panel, scrolling down and clicking on transfer or reset iPhone. So now that you've kind of figured out things to delete that you no longer need anymore for applications, click on transfer or reset iPhone. And right here, there's a panel that came out, I think the version of software before 2 years ago. It says prepare for new iPhone. So it says make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to back up. So this is very, very important because what this allows you to do is if you click get started, it actually allows you for the most part of actually going through and saving a little bit of storage and actually going through and making a full iCloud backup of all the data on your iPhone. This is massive and this is really cool. So what you can actually do here is you can just go through and just click on get started. And what's going to happen is you're going to have to put an iPhone passcode or whatever. But it's going to allow you to basically, transfer all your data from your iPhone to the other if you want to, but have it stored up in the cloud. So if you have to like do a trade-in deal or something like that, you can just transfer all your data to your, to the iCloud. And then when you get your newer iPhone, in this case, the iPhone 15, it will actually have that backup ready for you. So you can actually just transfer all your data to that specific iPhone straight up from this device. So it's really cool. It's really basic, but that's basically how it's done. It's super awesome. If you have any other thoughts or things you should do when you get a new iPhone, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.